Hello everybody and welcome back to Big Bang Crypto. My name is Sam. Thanks for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, guys, please subscribe and hit that like button if you like the content. Also turn on that notification bell and definitely join our Discord community. In this video I want to talk about what is going on right now with Bitcoin and also give you some altcoins that are looking really good, so that if Bitcoin is able to close above $50,000, then I think that these altcoins have the potential for some really nice gains over the next week compared to most of the other altcoins. So as you can see right now, Bitcoin is at $50,400, and in yesterday's video I told you how important it is for us to get a weekly close above this level. I showed you this chart, and this blue line is our weekly support, and as you can see currently we're definitely above the weekly support of this whole bull market. So this is a very important sign in my opinion for the bull market, and so if this happens we might see a retest of this level up here. So this is over $60,000. This golden box up here is the resistance is at $64,000 approximately, and then we might see Bitcoin really shooting above the all-time high and getting into this zone here, which I showed you many times. It's a historical zone that has been very important for Bitcoin, as you can see, and so I think that if Bitcoin is able to get inside of this, then yes, we might be seeing a very explosive movement in December, and maybe we really reach a target of over $100,000 in December. And all of these lines, guys, I really tried to take the best levels, historical levels that have been the most important for Bitcoin, and this is what's going on right now. And what I really think is very interesting here is that Bitcoin failed at this level some weeks ago, then was able to stay a little bit above it, but failed at the resistance of this golden box, as you can see. And so I think that if Bitcoin is able to find support here and pass this line here, then yes, we might be seeing Bitcoin reaching $100,000. And still we have to be very careful. In yesterday's video I showed you many times that in my opinion there is really weakness in the market, and we have to be careful, very careful, and so definitely watch out. So there is one chart I want to show you one more time. Forgot to bring it up here. It is this chart that you've already seen yesterday, and I don't want to go over this chart again. Yesterday I made a big update on that, so if you didn't watch this video, definitely do it. So the resistance, this yellow curve here, that has been resistance over the last 10 years. As you can see, every top out happened at this resistance. And currently, if Bitcoin really starts pumping, then the next week this resistance is at over or somewhere around $80,000. So definitely be careful with this level. If Bitcoin really is able to cross this level and break this historical curve here, then things might really get bullish. But definitely keep this level in mind. So to be very exactly, it is somewhere at $80,000, right? So definitely be careful with this level. All right, now let's talk about the altcoins that I'm watching, and I want to show you why I think that they have a high potential for making some really nice gains if Bitcoin is able to give us that weekly close above $50,000. So first I want to start with Harmony. Why? Because on this chart, as you can see, Harmony is at a level where it found support in the past, and we are seeing a nice, something like a hammer. We're seeing a long wick on the downside, so buyers are definitely interested in this level. So I could imagine that Harmony really starts taking off. Harmony is also a very good project, so doing some really amazing things. So I think that Harmony definitely has the chance for a bullish movement up to higher levels here. The next one is Chiliz, and what I like about this coin is that it is on the weekly chart right at the 55 moving average, so it doesn't have to cross a a very strong resistance here, and it is at a support zone, so this definitely could move higher. So Chilis is one of the coins I would be watching. Next one, XRP, which, as you can see, is on the 55 moving average right here, and if we get a close here above the 55 moving average, you see what can happen out of something like this. So the next weeks can become very bullish. So this one is also looking good. Then we have DOT. I really like what is going on here with DOT, also at the 55 moving average, finding support here, and so this could really turn around and moving up. Also in terms of swing trading on a weekly chart, what we can see here is that here we had our swing high, we're coming to our swing low, then we have a higher swing high, what is a good sign, and we might get a higher swing low. So in terms of trading, I think that this really makes sense here, and could become very bullish. Then we have Syscoin. I talked about it yesterday, and I mean, look at this candle right here. So this is like screaming for, hey, there is so much interest right now in Syscoin that it could potentially really go up over the next week. And I gave you the target of 90 cents yesterday. As you can see, it failed twice at this level. So if it is able to break 90 cents, things could become very heavy for Syscoin. So it might be very explosive. Next one is Sand. Sand, one of the coins that most people have been talking about because of the metaverse and so on. And so as you can see, it is on this moving average. This is the 5 moving average, so a very small moving average, but on a weekly chart, definitely one to watch. And as you can see, after this big correction here, all the way down, almost killing all the gains of this huge green candle, it is finding support on the 5th moving average again. And so I could imagine that Sand really starts taking off, and we will see a retest of this level here of $7.52 approximately. Then IOTA. IOTA, in my opinion, has maybe the most bullish chart of all altcoins currently. Now, why is that so? Because in my opinion, IOTA is one of the losers of this cycle compared to other altcoins. It's one of the losers. And I think that with all the updates coming on IOTA, and from what I've heard, they're trying to implement technology that is able to use the metaverse and much more. And they're bringing also some projects that might bring IOTA really up here again. So in my opinion, if IOTA on a weekly chart is able to break this resistance, I think that IOTA could show us, yeah, at the end of this bull market, because I think we're close to the end of this bull market, I think it could show us maybe one of the most extreme moves that we've seen in the last weeks or months. So this could become very heavy, so I would definitely watch IOTA. Then this is the chart of Ethereum to Bitcoin. As you can see, what I like here is that Ethereum, look at this, made a W compared. So this is not Tether, this is Bitcoin, Ethereum Bitcoin, and so it made a huge W here, and right now it seems like it's just retesting here. So I wouldn't be surprised to see Ethereum really taking off compared to Bitcoin. So this could be very explosive on Ethereum. Also, I want to show you the Bitcoin dominance chart. As you can see, Bitcoin might be showing us here a triple bottom on the dominance chart. So I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin really taking off here and gaining more of the market, the whole market cap, getting back of it. I hope that's correct. My English is not perfect, as you can hear. But yeah, I think that Bitcoin, the dominance might get stronger. This could be a sign for that. yeah, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's it, guys. So yes, these are my coins that I be definitely watching. Mana, in my opinion, could also take off here, but it's not looking so good like Sandbox. To me, Sandbox looks better than this one, but well, I could be wrong. Alright, guys, thank you very much for your time and attention. And yeah, I wish you the best. And let's see what happens next week. I'm very excited. And yeah, maybe we get our huge um, run up to over $100,000. So this would be unbelievable, but possible. Thank you very much, and we'll see us, guys. Bye.